Welcome again to Fleadh Cheoil, coming for the first time ever from the streets of Derry. Indeed, there was also a warm welcome awaiting a very special Chicago anthem duet, Liz Carroll and Seán O'Graham. They're playing reels, Jerome Lacey's and the Rogues Reel. Class from Chicago, Liz Carroll, and of course Seán O'Graham as well. Liz, you've literally just gone in from the Windy City, so your first impressions of Derry as host city for Fleadh Cheoil.
Oh, it's terrific. Great host city. I've been here since Tuesday, and yeah, it's wonderful.
Even though it's called traditional music, composition is so important. I mean, new tunes are required as oxygen. How important is composition, and how would you rate the quantity and the quality of composition in the trad area at the moment?
I think it's really absolutely wonderful. You know, there's your stars for years and years, names like Reevy and Fahy and well, I could continue on. Tommy Peoples, loads of people, and some people just have 2 or 3 tunes. It's never a bad idea if you have that a thought in your head to go ahead and just follow that road. I always enjoyed it. I loved learning tunes, but I loved making them up.
Well, listen, have a great festival.
Thank you, John. It's huge to meet you.
You too.
Guildhall is one of the most recognisable landmarks in Derry and has been at the heart of the city since 1890. And right now, there's plenty of competition going on inside.
We're watching the under-18 fiddle competition and some nice playing from Dylan Carlos from Roscommon, taking 3rd place. This is Sorcha Costello from Clare with a lovely even performance that earned 2nd place overall. The impressive Guildhall venue and the large crowd created the right atmosphere for the fiddle final. We're watching Ciara na Bhriain from Dublin. very well received performance by the Leinster qualifier and certainly a firm favourite with the audience.
The 2013 15 to 18 All-Ireland champion is Bhriain
from the well-known Dublin musical family, winning her All-Ireland title in style.
To say the people of Derry were up the walls for the week of the Fleadh would be true, and so too were the McKee family from Ballinascreen, County Derry. We have Mark on pipes, Stephen on banjo, Lisa fiddle and Eoin on bodhran. Their reel set includes Tom Ward's Downfall and the Dublin Reel. In the shade of the walls of Derry, the McKees from Ballinascreen, County Derry.
Belfast concertina and fiddle pair Jason O'Rourke and Susan Hughes supplied plenty of music at the Guildhall Square craft stalls, where Susan's paintings were on display.
Susan, can you tell me, where did you learn the fiddle?
Well, I started playing classical when I was about 8 in primary school, and while I was a teenager I started getting interested in trad, but there's no trad in my family or anything, so I was kind of just doing it on my own, beginning to go to workshops and lessons. But I had the advantage that I could read music, so if I couldn't figure a tune out from the CD, I could maybe look it up and try and find it.
And tell me now about your art, Susan. Is it difficult to kind of capture the energy of a traditional Irish musician?
For me, because I'm drawing someone who I know and I know their music, I suppose that makes it a bit easier, because I'm really thinking about the way they play and the energy they have when I'm painting it, so I suppose that helps. Just everyone's popping by, recognising some of the players. People are coming in saying, oh, there's John Doherty, he was a traveller fiddle player from Donegal. So it's just brilliant having people recognise the players.
No shortage of bands and groups of all sizes and shapes on view in Derry this year, but have to say we were well impressed by this beautiful solo performance by Clare-born but Tipperary-based melodeon virtuoso Bobby Gardiner. Bobby's tunes included Be Sure to Pull Down the Blind, The Wind That Shakes the Barley and Hand Me Down the Tackle.